I am on a mission that I am not going to buy anything that I don't need. I love heels. There are two products from K-Beauty. Next on the list, we have some bags. And to my surprise, I did not buy a lot of clothes. And I am in my joggers era officially. Hey everyone, it's Purva here. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome to something that I've never done before. It is going to be a shopping haul. So a couple of days ago, I posted an ASMR short where I showed you guys around a successful shopping day, and that is what we're doing here. I'm going to be showing everything that I got on that particular day. Now on that particular day, I went shopping with my mom and she did shop a lot for herself and my brothers. But in this video, I am only showing what I got for myself. So in no particular order, let's dive right into this video. Okay, so I have all of this stuff kept right here and I am just going to pick whatever I see first. And the first thing that I get to see is this bag from Kai, which contains footwear. I love footwear. And I got two very nice heels. Okay, so the first pair of heels that I can see here are these very pretty white with a gold detail heels. I did not have any white heels, so I was specifically looking for something that was extremely sturdy and could work with a lot of things. I could style them for a lot of outfits. So this is the first one. Next from Kai, we have another pair of heels because I love heels, and it is black in color with again like gold detail. Now these are something that would work with a lot of outfits and they're extremely comfortable as well. So next in front of me, I have this little Nykaa bag. And let's see what do we have. Okay, so first I was running out of my travel size Tilted toner and I am soon going to travel. So I had to refill. Then there are two products from K-Beauty. First one is a liquid eyeliner, which is amazing. I am buying this particular product from K-Beauty for the second time. It is amazing, it works great. And I have a brown kajal, which I don't know how will it look on me, but I will soon try. And that is everything we have from Nykaa. Clearly, guys, I am on a mission that I am not going to buy anything that I don't need and keep my shopping a little bit limited so that I can shop more often but not too much at once, if that makes sense. Next on the list, we have some bags. I love bags too, and I went to Charles & Keith. Did splurge a lot but got two bags. One of them is this tote bag which works perfect for flights and it even accommodates my laptop. I am really happy with this purchase. Next from Charles & Keith, we have this very pretty lady. It's so cute. I love the color. I mean, honestly, I am a white color loving girl. I love stuff in white color. I love white clothes. I love white bags. And this was literally love at first sight. The moment I saw it, I knew that I had to have it in my vanity. So this is the pretty bag that I got from Charles & Keith. Also, I will make sure that I will attach the links of everything that I'm showing you in this haul in the description box, So don't forget to check the description box for links. Next, I got something from Philips. It's a steam iron. Now, I don't have any kind of iron at home. A good thing that would last me longer, hence a steam iron. Now let's see how it works, and we'll definitely tell you if it's worth your money or not. Okay, so I just figured that there was another footwear that was lying somewhere over here. This is from Adidas. It's a flip-flop. I was looking for something for everyday use, so I think these would work perfect. Nothing like special about it, but really comfortable. Okay, moving on to the last category of this entire haul are clothes. And to my surprise, I did not buy a lot of clothes, which is not normal for me. But we are not buying anything that we do not need just for the aesthetics. But there are still a few things that I got. And the first one is this olive green color, really comfortable. These are linen cotton pants and it's from Uniqlo. I really like the color. Plus, soon going to road trip, so I thought it was really comfortable if I wear it while traveling. Next thing is joggers. Like, again, I am into comfortable clothes and I can't do like fitted jeans anymore, and I am in my joggers era officially. So got this one. I love the color. It's pretty blue and it's from Superdry. It seems really comfortable, hence great investment. And the last clothing item already is this very cute waist top. I have seen so many people wear waist tops in the last couple of months, and I was obsessed, and I was really looking for something that could suit my body type, especially because not all clothes that we see on the internet suit a curvy body. But this one fits like a glove. I can't wait to style it and share a video with you guys, which is coming soon for sure, because I'm really excited about this piece at the moment. Last but not the least, let's take a moment for the t-shirt that I'm wearing. Ever since I got it from H&M, guys, I am obsessed and I love Shah Rukh Khan, and this t-shirt is literally giving DDLJ Shah Rukh Khan ki entry vibes, and I am dying. Like, I have been wearing this ever since I got it. I'm not even kidding. So that was my little obsession over Shah Rukh Khan, which brings us to the end of this video. This is literally everything I got. I am literally proud of myself for not splurging money on literally random things that I would eventually never use in my life. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in case if you want to see a review of anything from this haul, or you want me to try it on and show it to you guys, I would love to do that. Just ping me in the comment section. I will definitely deliver whatever you guys ask for. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with anyone that you think you might want to gift any of these things to. I will share the links of all the products in the description, so don't forget to check out the description box, and I will see you next week. Bye!